Alright, we are working on W204. This model. So the gauge is not working. Customer complains. Fuel level it's not working. So, and I know this car, I've worked on this car sometime. I've changed the fuel pump, the gauge complete, brand new. So I know the fault might not be that thing. So let's diagnose these things together. Although I've removed the back seat. Here is the back seat. As I'm about to start this work, I just realized that I have to show my community how this is done. So we are working on this model C300 2008. So I have the camera. So after many findings, we are able to trace the fault back to the back side. So here's the back side. This is the back control unit. This is the fuse box. So alright guys, keep the updates. So they are going to bring another one of this, what you can see. So yeah, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for staying with us. So now we've ordered for another back sam, which are fixed. Is another one is the new aftermarket Tokumbo, whatever you want to call it. It is called Tokumbo here, Nigeria. So another country they know it as used. So used module, and this one we remove from the car. So right now, let's see if this fix our problem. Let's go. So where's the key? The key is not there, Abby. Yeah. So let's check if that fixes the problem. Not the gauge. Not the gauge. Not the fuse. Let's see. Wow. Can you see that? It's going. I think if you can remember in the beginning of this video, when I point the camera to the gauge, you notice that the gauge is not moving, but right now it's moving. There's the gauge for the gauge. So hopefully these things will fix our problem. guy fixed our problem. So that is the problem there. Yeah, for the gauge that did not work. So thank you very much for following us to this end of the video. So we'll copy all this thing back and we'll package everything very well, and the guy is ready to go. Wow, can you believe that? So thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.